Hello again, my friends. Welcome back. It is time for math. And we're going to start with my favorite, the money song. We should be getting good at this. My challenge to you yesterday was to sing this to somebody in your family, brother, sister, grandma, mommy, daddy, whoever you want. So I hope you did that. If not, do it today. Are you ready? Get out your one. A penny is 1 cent, a nickel is 5, a dime is 10, and a quarter 25. That's money. Money, 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 that's money. Are you singing? A penny is 1 cent, a nickel is 5, a dime is 10, and a quarter 25. That's money. Money, 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 that's money. Money. Good job. All right, I'm going to check out the window. If we were at school, the meteorologist would look. Micah's rocking chair is blocking the window a little bit. It looks like today it is another sunny day. Have you been outside yet today? I have not, but I watched the news this morning and it said that today was going to be cool. It was actually pretty chilly this morning. The weather said it was 36 degrees, so that's pretty cold. But I think right now it's probably cool. So the meteorologist would report it is sunny, and it is cool, same as yesterday, so we would not change Weather Frog. He'd keep his sunglasses and his light jacket. Okay, what season are we in? I hope you said spring. Get out your 4. Let's sing that 4 season song. 4 seasons in a year. I can name all 4. Do you wanna hear? Let's get ready and say them all. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. So until June 20th, we are still in the season of spring. Very good. Kiss your brain. All right, I told you yesterday that today we were going to do some number line work, but you are going to be in charge of deciding, is it a number line story problem with adding, putting numbers together, or is it a story problem about subtracting, taking numbers away? So let's sing that song. We're going to start with the words add and subtract. Ready? Add means put together, subtract means take away. Do that again. Add means put together, subtract means take away. Now I'm going to change out that math vocabulary and put in the words plus and minus. You ready? Plus means put together, minus, not subtract. Minus means take away. Do that again. Plus means put together. Minus means take away. My brain got mixed up with that vocabulary because those words are almost the same. So let me show you these signs. We have the plus, which tells me to add, and we have the minus. That tells me to subtract, to take numbers away. So we are going to have our number sentence today that reads like this. The number in the story problem that goes here. You are going to have to decide, is it plus or is it minus? Is it adding or is it subtracting? Whatever the second number is. And then you're going to decide on the sum or the difference. So if I'm adding, I'm going to get a sum. If I'm subtracting, I'm going to get the difference. Okay, so you've got to be a great mathematician and a great listener to know the answers for this one. Okay, so here we go. Listen to the story problem. 5 friends were riding their bikes. 3 more friends came to ride their bikes. How many bikes and friends all together? Listen again. 5 friends were riding their bikes. 3 more bikes and friends came. How many friends all together? So I heard 2 numbers. I heard the number 5 friends that were riding their bikes. And I heard the number 3 more friends came. What does that word more tell you? Tells me that I'm adding. So if you're writing with me today, did you choose the plus sign? You should have, because it's asking how many all together. So I'm going to put these numbers together to get my sum. Now I'm going to use my number line. I'm on the 5. I'm going to hop forward how many? 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What did I get? I landed on the 8. My sum is 8. Let's read. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Read it again. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Good job. I'm going to erase. If you're writing along with me, you erase too. I'm going to erase out this sign because that's going to change. And my answer for the next story problem. All right, are you listening? Get those good listening mathematician ears on. Here we go. 2 flowers were growing in the garden. Then 4 more flowers grew. How many flowers altogether? Now in my brain, if you heard Miss Walker read this at school or we were listening to a game on the computer, ding, 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 ding in my head, I knew right away this was going to be plus. Because I heard the words all together and I heard the word more. Those math vocabulary words are so important. So 2 flowers were growing. 4 more flowers grew. Did you hear those numbers? So I'm going to start on the 2. I'm going to hop forward 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And where did I end up? On the 6. So let's read. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Read it again. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Very good. All right, I'm going to erase. You can erase too. So remember, when I put numbers together, I am adding. When I take away numbers, I am subtracting. All right, listen to this one. I had 9 books. I love books. I had 9 books. Then I gave 5 away to my friends. How many books are left? I had 9 books. I gave 5 of them away to my friends. How many books are left? Now, in my brain, that math vocabulary left tells me that I am taking numbers away. I need the minus to subtract. So, I had 9 books. I gave 5 away to my friends. Those were the 2 numbers I heard. So I've got to hop backwards. There's going to be less. So I'm going to start on the 9. How many am I going to jump back? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where did I end up? On the 4. So my difference is 4. Let's read. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Read it again. 9 minus 5 equals 4. So when I jump backwards, the number gets smaller. All right, let's try another one. We're going to get really good at this and be adding and subtracting experts. All right, here we go. Get your listening ears ready. Ooh, this is a tricky one. Ready? I had 10 lollipops. I had 10 lollipops. I gave away 8 to good listening friends. How many lollipops are left? Listen again. I had 10 lollipops. I gave away 8 to my good listening friends. How many lollipops are left? I heard 2 numbers. I heard the numbers 10 and I heard the number 8. Because I gave 8 of them away. How many are left? How many are left? That tells me I am subtracting. I need the minus. So I'm going to jump on my 10. I've got to go backwards. Here we go. For 8, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where did I end up? On the 2. I only have 2 lollipops left. Let's read. 10 minus 8 equals 2. Again, 10 minus 8 equals 2. Now, some friends might have knew right away with their mental math that the answer was 2. But remember what we said. You have to be able to explain your thinking. So I'm using my number line to show my thinking. I had 10, but then 8 I gave away. How many are left? I have to go backwards and show it on my number line to get to the 2. I could also use my drawing strategy if that helps my brain. So either one of those are super helpful. All right, we're going to do one more. Listen closely. I had 3 goldfish. Then I bought 7 more. These are real goldfish, not the kind you eat. Listen again. I had 3 goldfish. Then I bought 7 more. How many goldfish are there all together? All together. What's that tell me? Tell me what sign. I hope you said plus. So I heard 2 numbers. I had 3 goldfish, and then I bought 7 more. Did you write the same thing, or were you thinking the same thing? So, whoopsie, I forgot to erase this part. I'm going to need that. So I'm going to start on the 3 and hop forward. How many? I hope you said 7. All right, I'm on the 3. 7 hops. You better be counting. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Holy moly, what number did I end up on? 10. So my sum is 10. All together, I had 10 goldfish. Let's read. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Read again. 3 plus 7 equals 10. And that's it. So when we add, we hop forward on the number line. And when we subtract, we hop backwards. So going forward, we get more. Say that math word, more. When we subtract, we get less. Say that word, less. Let's say more 3 times. More, more, more. If I'm getting more of something, the number is getting greater. Say less 3 times. Less, less, less. If I'm getting less of something, the number is getting smaller. So these math vocabulary words are going to come up all the way until you're a big kid in high school. You're always going to need to know your math vocabulary. So it's very, very important that we continue to practice. So like I said before, could you use a number line at home? Absolutely, so easy to make. And practicing writing your numbers with the plus and the minus are also an excellent activity to do. All right, if you have a board, go ahead and clear it all the way off. If you do not have a board, then just put your papers to the side. All right, my friends, that is all I have for you today. Remember, we're doing our video lessons Monday, Wednesday, Friday. This week was a little funky because of Easter Monday, but I won't have a video for you again until Friday. But I will see you tonight for a bedtime story. Great job today. Make good choices and have a great day. Mwah.